Have you used agarwood powder in your soap recipe? I have, and this is the result. Is that gorgeous? Move that away. Take a look. Hopefully the color is going better. Okay. It's supposed to, the color is supposed to become purple or light pink. Okay. So with this recipe here, hope you can see that. Okay. I use agarwood. Okay. The manufacturer recommend that you, use 2 tablespoons, and you infuse it in olive oil for overnight, 24 hours, but I infuse this for 3 days. Okay, for 3 days I infuse it. Okay, still some left. I didn't use fully all the ingredients, okay, in my recipe. If you use too much, the color become darker. Okay, so I didn't want that. So I only use around like 50 ml, like 2 ounces. Okay, in the American system. I'm using metric here. Okay, so you just keep stirring it if you want to use the whole lot. Okay, but it's very powerful. Okay, this soap here, it's been 1 day, and the color changed. Okay, when I first start put it in, it become blue. Okay, it became blue. Now slowly it start to cool. The purple begins to develop. Okay, so if you have a recipe that requires lavender or purple, so agarwood powder, is your choice of ingredients. Okay, very natural ingredients, but there's more effort for you to get it right. Okay, infuse this in oil, olive oil, or any oil you want. Okay, 2 tablespoons, 100 ml of olive oil. Okay, that's its instruction. When you use it, hope you can, it's pinkish. Okay, hope you can see that. But this is the result. If you love purple, pink, agarwood is your choice of ingredients. Okay, I'll see you next time with another video about soap making.